today we are going to be I am going to be showing you how to item adjust. Because for the pimple patches on my face, I item adjusted those. So first you're gonna want to look on the side, right there, and then you are going to want to click that. So we're gonna click it. Now it says Avatar Refinement. Now on this side there are there are some choices, not many, but like there are choices. We got skin, we've got accessories, we've got clothes, we've got, I don't know what the top one is, but it's okay. The clothes do not work because I have classic items. So what we're gonna, and this is head shape, guys. This is head shape. We don't need that. So, and then this one is just more skin color. Ooh, get back into that. So the first thing you're gonna want, so to adjust accessories, which is probably what most of you are gonna want, we're gonna go to this hat. And you see all the accessories I have on right now. So you click on one of them. I clicked on my bag. It's going to show you your bag. You can zoom in and you can move it around like this. You can move it down. You can move it up. There, okay. You can move it in, out. Right there, okay. And yeah, and then, oh wait, hold on. There's a cool thing. So this is spinning it up and down like that. There's like that. There's like that. And then there's this. It makes it bigger and smaller. I think that's really cool, so you apply that. And then for these, I don't need to adjust anything. That's just kind of, and yeah, that's kind of how you do it with these. This is what I did, so these are my settings for these. And then I don't really have a setting for these. I didn't really need that. Yeah, I'm just like messing around with it now. I can make it bigger. I can make it, there we go. Alright, and that is how we, oh, that's not a pretty picture. I just made that like, oh, sorry. I just made that like way too in. Did not mean to do that. Okay. See, now we're getting there. Okay. But yeah, this is basically what you can do, and I hope you guys